Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Today's first word is what to do. In Gujarati we say શું કરવું, શું કરવું. Okay, for do Gujarati we say કરવું, and hence this is a question. We say શું કરવું, શું કરવું. Okay, whatever sentence start with questionary word. For example, what. Okay, what, we say શું. If you see, for what in Gujarati, when you have to start question, you should use શું. For example, what to do, શું કરવું. What to ask, શું પૂછવું. Okay, for asking in Gujarati we say પૂછવું. Alright, પૂછવું. So for this questionary sentence or phrases we say શું પૂછવું, શું પૂછવું. What to eat. For eat in Gujarati we say ખાવું. To eat in Gujarati we say ખાવું. And because this is questionary started with what, we say શું ખાવું, શું ખાવું. And when it is when in Gujarati we say ક્યારે. Okay, for when in Gujarati we say ક્યારે. And to come in Gujarati we say આવવું. To come in Gujarati we say આવવું. That's it. When to come in Gujarati we say ક્યારે આવવું, ક્યારે આવવું, ક્યારે આવવું. I am repeating quickly. What to do, શું કરવું, શું કરવું, કરવું. Okay, what to ask, શું પૂછવું. What to eat, શું ખાવું. When to come, ક્યારે આવવું. Now let's understand all these words one by one with sentences. First one is what to do. For what to do in Gujarati we say શું કરવું. Okay, now let's see the sentence we are having is.
To watch the full video, find the link in the description box.